Hey guys, welcome back to Reolink Studio. At Reolink, we always make sure our users will have the best experience and enjoy our products to keep their beloved property and businesses safe. Today, we're focusing on some troubleshooting issues, just in case you face them. We're talking about tracking problems. If you're experiencing difficulties with your camera not tracking or moving the way you want it, this video is for you. Let's dive into some solutions. But first, let's check some settings before that. Check the tracking option. Check the detection alarm settings. Make sure auto tracking feature is enabled. Now let's move on. Verify detection zones. Ensure that the detection zones are properly configured to cover the areas where you expect movement to be tracked. Sometimes, if the detection zones are incorrectly set or all covered, the camera may not detect movements accurately. Let's move on to checking the camera placement. Ensure that your camera is positioned correctly and has an unobstructed view of the area you want to track. Sometimes, if the camera's field of view is blocked or limited, it may not be able to track movements effectively. Check for firmware updates. Ensure that your camera's firmware is up to date. Reolink often releases firmware updates to address bugs and improve performance. Go to the Reolink app or the official website at Download Center for any available firmware updates and install them if necessary. Now, let's run some tests. Adjust sensitivity settings. Check the sensitivity settings for the tracking function. If the sensitivity is set too low, the camera might not detect movements effectively. Try increasing the sensitivity level gradually to see if it improves tracking performance. Adjust the detection alarm settings. If you've customized the object size or alarm delay settings, try to revert them to the default settings. Adjust the tracking settings. For some of our cameras, there are different types of tracking methods. Try to change the tracking method for testing. For example, change the tracking method from digital tracking to pan and tilt tracking first. And last but not least, if you're still facing issues despite following the troubleshooting steps provided, don't hesitate to contact our dedicated customer support team. Our knowledgeable representatives are available to assist you and will work diligently to resolve any remaining issues with your Reolink security camera. You can reach us through our website, by phone, or by email, and we'll be happy to hear from you. Thank you for watching this troubleshooting video. As usual, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment down below on what you want to see on our next troubleshooting video. Don't forget to subscribe, stay safe, stay secure. See you next time.